Guys, Domino's Pizza are now selling jollof rice and chicken in Nigeria. They are one of the leading pizza brands in the world. They are the first to sell pizza in Nigeria. When you think about pizza, you think about Domino's. Pizza is their primary product, but now they are selling jollof rice. Why? We all know that the economic situation in Nigeria has been very harsh in the past 4 years. Does that mean that Domino Pizza should water down their brand's name and positioning just to sell jollof rice? Because this brand has been known for ages as the premium pizza brand all over the world. This is an open conversation and I would love to hear what you have to say about this. This is what people are saying online. The Nigerian economy has made Domino's Pizza to start selling jollof rice. Due to the current state of the nation, Domino's decided to start selling rice because Sapa no let people buy pizza again. When they have been making rubbish pizza, people don't patronize them anymore. I went to their branch at Agungi recently, not one single customer for hours. Okay. Hello, Samuel.
Hello.
You heard about that Domino's Pizza gist selling jollof rice. What do you think about it?
Yes, I heard about it. I don't believe they are killing the brand. Over 100 million Nigerians are in poverty. That's no joke. You should know that jollof rice is a staple. Pizza is not. With the economic situation, people are eating more jollof rice and less pizza. It is a business that has survived that we have a brand to think about. That's my take for now.
Thank you for this. Hello, Ellen.
Hello, Brad.
Did you hear about Domino Pizza not selling jollof rice in Nigeria?
Yes, I heard about it.
What's your take about it?
This current strategy will definitely impact the positioning of the brand. They might not even be seen as the #1 brand for pizza in Nigeria for a very long time. The truth is, the goal of every business is to grow and expand, and branding can help businesses achieve that. But the market will always dictate what direction a brand grows in, and this is where building locally relevant pricing and product offer can help make the branding stand strong. That is why brands operating in third world countries make variations of their products in sachets and in sub-brands, like in this case. What I think Domino Pizza should do is that they should try to extend vertically and not just horizontally.
Alright, thank you for this. This is absolutely a big job for the brand manager as investors seek trade-off for the brand, because the main job of a brand manager is to protect the core of the brand and to strengthen the brand positioning. Guys, I love pizza, especially from Domino's. I love how they brand it and influence the world to love this food, because it was once a local food from Italy. But with what is going on today in Nigeria, what do you think? Shout out to Brandversation Africa, a community filled with top brand guys. We had this conversation there and the argument was very heated. You can check them out. I've placed their link somewhere below. Don't forget to share your views about this, and if you want them to just stick with pizza or go with jollof rice. For now, let me enjoy the jollof.